So are you saying Nigeria has finally expired just like that? But wait, UBA gave over 10% dividends. Geregu stock blew up, land doubling in value, so who says there is no value here? Nigeria may be chaotic, yes, but buried inside this madness is massive opportunity. Some people are seeing frustration, others seize land stocks and side hustles opportunities. Every crisis hides a cash flow for those who have eyes to see. My people, Nigeria is not hopeless. You just need to know where the value is and how to position yourself. Hopelessness is not a fact, it's a mindset. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel for more. Turn Naira today into wealth tomorrow. Moloney Street Trip. Build your financial future one step at a time.